Introduction. The BMI calculation project helps people quickly check their body weight status based on their height and weight. BMI is a useful health indicator to know if someone is underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. This project makes BMI calculation easy, fast, and accurate using a simple program where users just enter their height and weight. The system saves time, reduces errors, and helps people monitor their health regularly. It is useful in schools, clinics, gyms, and for personal health tracking. The program includes a user-friendly interface, an automated BMI formula, and clear weight category results. In the future, this project can be improved by adding features like health advice, BMI history tracking, and more personal details such as age and activity level to provide better health information.
Hi, my name is Edia Elisa binti Muhammad Razaini and my matrix number is B1224107884. And today I would like to present about problem statement. Maintaining a healthy weight is important to prevent disease like heart problems, diabetes, and high blood pressure. However, many people don't track their weight status because manual BMI calculation can be inconvenient and confusing. Without easy access to BMI tools, some may overlook health risks. This project aims to develop a simple, fast, and accurate BMI calculator. By entering height and weight, users can quickly know their BMI and weight category. These systems help to prevent calculation error, increasing health awareness, and encourage regular weight monitoring for a healthier lifestyle. Scope of the project. The BMI calculation project is created to help users to easily find out their body mass index BMI using a simple computer program. The main goal to make it quick and easy for people to know whether their body weight is healthy or not. In this program, users just need to enter their weight in kilograms and their height in meters or centimeter. Then, the program will calculate the BMI automatically and show the result. It is also tell the user whether their weight is underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. The program has a menu that lets user choose to calculate again or exit the program. It is also checks if the user entered the correct type of number to avoid mistakes. However, this project only focuses on basic BMI calculation and does not give detailed health advice or medical recommendation. It is made just to give user a simple and fast way to check their BMI.
My name is Hasha Zira binti Ahmad Nazri. My matrix number is B12241051. For the first is start and menu display. The program start and show a menu with 5 options. For the user's input, the users enter a choice. The program checks the choice and runs the matching function. For the menu case is we have 5 case, which is case 1 is calculate the BMI after users enter height and weight. Case 2 is read and display save BMI record from a file. And next for case 3 is count and show how many users are saved in the file. For case 4 is clear all saved BMI records. And lastly for case 5 is exit the program. If the user does not select option 5, the program will return to the main menu and continue running. If option 5 is selected, the program displays a farewell message and ends. All data entered by user is saved in a file named BMI data using append mode. The program ends with a stop symbol indicating it has completed successfully. Here is the calculate BMI flowchart. The function asks the user to enter their name, weight, and height, then check if the input are valid. It calculates BMI using the formula and checks the result to determine the health status. Based on the BMI value, it displays the status and return to the main menu. Here is the read and record flowchart. The function runs when the user selects menu 2 and the output will display all the user records. It tries to open the BMI data file. If it fails, it shows error file not found. If successful, it displays all records and return to the main program. This is a count user flowchart. The function is to open the file and check if it is accessed. If not, it shows file not found. It reads each line and count how many times the word name appears. It prints the total number of users and ends the function. Next, we have clear record flowchart. The function open BMI data in write mode, which clear all its content. It checks if the file opens successfully and show an error if it failed. If successful, it confirms data if cleared and ends with a return statement. Lastly, we have a exit program flowchart. This exit function runs when the user select option 5. It displays the message, "Thank you and stay healthy, goodbye." The program ends and all the process closed properly.
Hello, my name is Norman Sarah Atiko, and I will explain about the coding explanation and screenshot output. First of all, for our assignment, we use BMI calculation. For the input and output function, we use scanf to get user input such as name, height, and weight. Printf to display BMI result, message, and instruction. It will enable interactive communication between user and system. It will make it user-friendly. The coding is combined in one function, input user data and autosave, so that everything that happen will automatically input, calculate, and save without need any step. Another thing that we use is arithmetic operation, which is BMI equal to weight over height times height. Is to make BMI calculation more fast and accurate for the calculation. This saves time and avoid mistake compared to manual math. We also use conditional logic such as if-else condition to classify BMI into underweight, normal, overweight, and obese. This help user immediately understand their health condition. For the file handling, we use fopen, fprintf, fclose, and fscanf. To save user data safely, we use fopen, fprintf, and fclose to save each user BMI result into a text file. This allows users to check their BMI history and time, allow saving and reading data in BMI record TXT, enable record keeping and user history with file management. The program we use is looping and menu system. Use loop like while to repeat the menu, so that user can choose multiple options until they exit. It's for improve user experience and control. First of all, for our assignment, we use for Our screenshot output, we use menu screen option in the coding. The menu is the main screen that guide user to choose what they want to do in the BMI system. Uh, it will help user navigate the program easily. Menu operation and their function. First of all, we have calculate BMI, like please enter user data. It allows user to enter their names, height, and weight. It also will automatically calculate the BMI, show the result and category, and save the data. The second option is read all record from the file. It will open and read the file from BMI records, display all saved BMI data from the previous user. The third option is show number of users saved. It will count how many users have used the system. It's useful for checking how many records are stored. For the fourth option is clear or save data. This option will delete all save data in the file. Useful to reset the system for new user or new session. Finally, the fifth option is exit program. It will close the program safely, display a goodbye message like thank you and stay healthy. Um, the menu is important is to make the system easy to use, allow user to choose what they need, and keep the program organized and interactive. The BMI calculation use C programming because it is powerful, fast, and efficient language that helps build logical and structured program. That's all for me. Thank you. Okay, for our screenshot.
Conclusion: the BMI calculation system successfully demonstrates how programming can be used to solve real-world health problems. By automating BMI calculations and providing instant feedback, the system helps users monitor their weight status efficiently. It supports health awareness by offering classification and saving data for future reference. Designed to be simple, accurate, and user-friendly, this project is a practical tool for both personal use and health-related environments such as clinic, school, and fitness center.